admin, so OMP peer. So you can see that it have 4, 5, 7, 8, total 10, sorry, total 4 VSs. Right now my 4 VSs are only up in the slab. So it is saying that OMP peer with all of the VSs with this state, their site ID, domain ID, overlay ID, and all those stuff. But if you see here, what it says that it received the 16. But what does it mean by that? 0 installed? That it is not installing in its routing table. It will not, do the work over, getting the copy of it into its routing table. It would be there only into the OMP table, right? It would not install those, right? So if I'll do so IP route, I don't have that route installed. But if I'll do so OMP route, I may have those routes. You can see, right? I do have all those routes, but those routes are into the OMP table, but not installed. So if you see CR, so if you see C as a chosen, right? R as a result, which means that next hop is good, but I is missing here in this status, which means that these routes are not installed actually, right?